Hello everyone. This video is the first in a series called Teacher Check-ins. In this series, I'm going to share general advice based on my experiences in the field of education. These videos will be posted monthly at the very least, but they may be posted more often depending on my obligations. The videos will be tied into the month that they are posted. September is to me the first real month of school. While school may start in August for some districts, those first few weeks feel like a time for teachers and students to acclimate to the routine of school to me, rather than actual school. This month's advice is to remember everything will get done. What do I mean by that? Sometimes there might be a delay in collecting necessary forms or resolving various issues that might be taking place in the classroom. It might feel like everything is an emergency if it is not resolved right away. So the phrase, everything will get done, is one I have found comforting when I have felt overwhelmed with the start of the year. It may take longer than expected or desired, but whatever tasks or items on your list you may have, it will get done. Remember, you are doing your best with the knowledge you have at the time.